Meet the Subcold Eco 60 freezer, a 4-star tabletop marvel that fits neatly on the worktop yet stores up to 30 liters of frozen goodness. With an adjustable thermostat, reversible door and removable shelf, you can tailor the space for larger items while keeping energy use quietly efficient at around 180 kilowatt-hours per year. Expect reliable performance, a minimum temperature of -18 degrees Celsius, 1-year warranty for total peace of mind. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Meet Chixi SD-D4EU, the compact freezer built for modern kitchens. With a 31-liter capacity and 4-star freezing, it preserves your frozen favorites with reliable temperature control from 0 to -24 degrees while whisper-quiet operation, and a 12-year compressor warranty give you real peace of mind. Removable wire shelves keep rice meals and vegetables perfectly organized, and the flat door handle. Reversible doors makes it fit any corner. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Meet the Cocolgiers L, a stylish 32-liter tabletop freezer that slots neatly onto any counter. Quiet, efficient and easy to use, it runs at just 42 decibels and holds at -18 degrees for safe long-term storage. With adjustable temperature control, removable wire shelf and levelable legs, you can tailor space precisely to your needs, whether in university room, office, caravan or compact kitchen. You've got the link in the description and the pinned comment. Imagine a little powerhouse perched on your kitchen counter, a 24-liter sister to full-size freezers. The Homcom Tabletop Mini freezer holds 35 liters of frozen meals, snacks and treats, with a removable wire shelf for 2 levels of storage and a reversible door to fit any corner. Just the temperature from -24 to -14 degrees Celsius with ease all in. A low energy rating unit. You've got purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. In a compact space, this 43 cm by 45.7 by 48 cm Freho mini freezer packs a surprising punch. With a 7-stage temperature range to 22 degrees, it freezes drinks, snacks, milk and ice cream quickly, while its whisper-quiet operation keeps bedrooms and offices peaceful. Removable shelves, a reversible door, and adjustable feet make placement effortless, and energy efficiency helps curb bills. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Meet the Foho Mini Freezer with fridge, a compact 32-liter powerhouse that fits neatly on your countertop. With 7 adjustable temperature settings, you can freeze ice cream at -18 degrees or store breast milk at -7.6 with ease, while the removable wire shelf lets you switch from cozy compartments to a single roomy space. Quiet, efficient, and energy conscious, it keeps food safely frozen at -22 degrees. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment.